Before we start, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not support promoting or buying any contraband items, just so you guys know. And now enjoy the video. What's up, yo? Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to be checking out the CNFANS warehouse. Right now we're on top of the building, as you guys see. I don't know if the quality is good. I bought a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but yeah, now let's go to the warehouse and let's see how it is. Just go in the lounge now. We gotta wait to be picked up. So now we just go to the warehouse and we're gonna film.
So we just got to the warehouse. As you guys can see here, all your items are getting stored. This is the section where the sellers are bringing the items to the warehouse. Now they're gonna get unpacked and the quality check is gonna proceed. Unfortunately, we cannot film that side, but yeah. This is basically an idea. Those are shoe boxes from sellers basically, and yeah, it's the first step there, right? There's a ton of packages here. And yeah, now let's go on and move to the next section of the warehouse because we can't really film a lot. So next section we have one of the slides of the warehouse. Here all your items arrived after getting stored and selected. This is basically a warehouse section on the app, as you guys can see on the screen right now. And yeah, this is basically it. And now let's move on to the next section. Take a look, guys. The section's super long where you guys can check it out from. And yeah, now let's move on. So here's basically where all your items land after you receiving the quality check notification, your email. And yeah, basically they're all going to be stored in these sections, and then the quality check pictures are going to be on your website. So this is basically how many packages there are stored. There's over 5 warehouses, so you guys can do the numbers yourself. And yeah, now let's move on to the next section. So first thing is, if your package arrives, then it's going to be like stacked like this. Then they put it in a cart, and then an employee eventually goes to the specific section where the item is stored, and then on this case you're going to just put it back in the section so it's well stored for you guys. So as you guys can see, this is the section where your parcels arrived after being rehearsed. And when you guys are ready to pay, your package is instantly shipped out. We ship around about 10,000 packages a day, which is around about 60,000 a week and 240,000 a month, which is super crazy. As you guys see, if you guys want more protection for your haul, you can go for the corner guard, especially if you live very far away from China, because you never know how DHL is gonna pack or ship your package. And yeah, so now this is what happens when your package is getting shipped. Basically they print a label with your address and the next day it's out the door, so basically fully shipped. And yeah, as you guys can see, there's many packages which have been shipped now and are getting shipped now. This is basically what all the folding packages are, so you guys can save the most of the shipping. We always choose the smallest package for your items, so you guys can save more money on that. So here's your packages getting weighted and pictures taken with this machine, and then it's basically sent out directly.
So as you guys can see here, your package is getting basically packed. Here we had the tape, the knife and the package, and then they're basically going to pack your package right here. So as you guys can see, your hauls are getting shipped, as you guys can see, with Super Express, so your hauls will always arrive in time. And if you guys want to save more money, use that link in the bio, get $130 Wolf coupon codes and check out that spreadsheet with 4,000 items.